Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if a program will not minimize from the taskbar in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First thing I recommend doing would be right click on the blank area on the desktop and select refresh, and then attempt to launch the application in the taskbar and see that resolves the issue. You can also press Windows plus P key in your keyboard guys. Windows plus P key to make sure that PC screen is only selected in your PC. You just need to select the PC screen only. And if you are using Windows 10, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select cache day Windows, which is not an option as you can see on the menu on Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.